In today's video guys, I will be talking if MIR4 is still worth it for you to try, and also what are my thoughts into the long term of this game. So this is not a tutorial but a personal opinion, okay? So it could differ from anyone. And of course, if you haven't subscribed into my channel, please do subscribe right now. Please, I really help it. I really need this one. So my name is Crypto Addict on YouTube. Please make sure to subscribe into my channel for more. Okay, so as you can see into my screen, you see that I didn't open my MIR4 anymore. The reason is that there's a lot of bugs in my end. I tried restarting it and it doesn't work now in my end. So there's a lot of problems in terms of the updates on the launching. The what they call that, the installer are not working even though you are constantly restarting it. Okay, so let's now talk about the price of what you can earn. So you can earn a DRACO token, which of course equivalent into a WEMIX. If you're going to look forward here, you're going to earn more than 76 pesos, or more likely 1.5 USD. The thing here is that those DRACO tokens that you can earn, okay, is really hard to get. So you can check the price of DRACO here. So MIR4 DRACO, it is already here. So the price of it is pretty much low, and also considering that you see that the price of USD DRACO is 0.46. So it is not really worth it if you're going to ask me. The thing here is that there is a lot of cheaters into the platform. So you will be able to see, you can just directly search it here, MIR4 cheater. You can see that there's a lot of people that are cheaters inside this platform. And I'm not even trying because this is very common. But the thing here is that it doesn't mean that there's a cheater or something you should tolerate it. But what I'm trying to say here is that it is really bad for the game to have this one, or to be full of cheaters, because there are a lot of people that are trying to play into this game, and also they are not able to withstand this part. And when you are actually dying here, you're actually going to lose 5% of your XP. So just imagine every time you are dying in MIR4, you won't be able to level up, and also there is just a limit in terms of regaining their XP back for free. Okay, so this is my own option. Also, MIR4 it is compatible with mobile devices, as you can see here. But the thing here is that I've tried downloaded it into my Android, into my new Android phone, and it is always crashing. So what happens in there? I'm not even able to play MIR4 into my mobile because it is not even working because of the system requirements as well. So although this is a free-to-play game, I will give them a credit for that. If you are looking forward into using your time wisely, if you're just like have a goal to make more money, I suggest that there's a lot of games that you can probably enter, but not this one, because the price, given the fact that how much you can earn, and how many times that you need to render, and also the amount of electricity and everything that you need to do or to allot into this game, it is entirely not worth it at all. Okay, so WEMIX price is 76, but if you're going to look forward here, the price of a WEMIX DRACO is what do you call that, 0.46. So what does it mean? That for every 1,000 Darksteel that you're going to get, you will just get 0.46 USD, which is more likely, it is not even a minimum wage. Even though you're going to earn more than 1.2 Darksteel, as you can see this, okay, it is still not worth it, because 1.2 USD is more likely $4, or like $5. Okay, so it is not entirely worth it at all. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. This is just a quick tutorial. There's a lot of things. I will be also linking these links. Okay, the price of WEMIX, the price of DRACO, the installation or the website wherein you can download the MIR Global, and also I've made a lot of tutorials before on how you can be able to earn Darksteel and everything. Okay, you can just search it into my YouTube. It will automatically appear, and also it is Crypto Addict here back again with another and awesome updates from you guys. Okay, it is free to subscribe, so please help me reach 50,000 or even 100,000 subscribers. I really want to get that play button as well. So see you on the next video and have a good day.